Welcome to Spellathon. How many words or 4 or more letters can you make from the letters shown in today's puzzle? ఇది ఈరోజు పజిల్. మొదట హింట్స్ ఏంటో చూద్దాము. హింట్. First, in making a word, each letter may be used once only. Each word must contain the central letter. Second hint. There should be at least one 7-letter word. Third hint. Plurals, foreign words and proper names are not allowed. Give. Give. Given. Vest. Invest. Vain. Went. West. Vesting. Vain. ఈ వీడియోను చూసినందుకు ధన్యవాదములు.